Hey Crafty Rebels, welcome back to another Halloween tutorial. Today we're going to do something really fun. We're going to be altering this acrylic case. Now this is not my original idea whatsoever. I saw it in a Happy Mail video of someone I follow and she got it from someone else. I'll track it down and I'll make sure to give props to the person who came up with this idea, and I'll have it in the bottom of this video as well as in the blog post. This is $4 at my local dollar store. So there's 3 little drawers, and I'm gonna be using the Hey Pumpkin collection, of course. I decided to go with this paper for background. So the first thing is to measure out the top of your case. Mine has a little ridge here, it kind of goes inside, so I'm going to be decorating just the portion that is flat, like over here, not the ridge part. That makes sense. Measure it out. I'm going to go ahead and cut this. So now I'm just going to probably put this aside because I can just work on the panel itself. I'm going to go and use this Tag with the Witch, and I think it looks so freaking cute. I'm going to go ahead and just adhere her, but I'm going to take a couple layers off because I just like to do that with my chipboard. And I'm going to be using my Tombow Mono Liquid Glue just on her side because I'll be using hot glue for the rest. So I'm doing things a little bit differently. I'm just kind of layering this on the paper itself, and then I'll add adhesive to this and just plop it down. So I'm going to go ahead and add a bit of washi, and I could just tuck it under. How subtle it is in the background, the little stripes. So cute. Oh, it's still hot. I'm just going to add these sequins. I'm going to decorate with some puffy stickers. Leave it like that, and I'm going to go in and add some bling. I really like how this looks. Now the last step is to adhere it to our little case. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. And then I'm going to add some goodies from the collection in the inside. I'm going to add some handmade embellishments and some other little bits and bobs for my sash, and it's going to look so freaking cute. So to adhere this, I'm going to go ahead and use my Tombow Permanent Plus adhesive. That looks pretty good. I love it so much. You can find some of these things at your local dollar store, in Marshalls or Home Goods. Places like that have these all the time in different shapes and sizes as well. So to line the bottom, I'm just going to place the tray over it. Eyeball where to cut. This is an optional step for you if you want to go ahead and cover the bottoms as well. Use the measurements according to your container that you're using. And I'm just going to add a tiny little piece of adhesive to the bottom of it. That should be fine. So before that, let me measure it out onto the other pattern papers that I'm going to want to use. So adorable guys. Isn't this so cute? And you can have it out every year. You can have ephemera and stickers and stuff from the collections you're working with could go inside, and every year you can display it. You can even add some candies in here if you'd like. There's just so many different ways you can use this cute little acrylic case. I hope you guys can give this project a try, and I'll have all the links that I use to the products down below in case you're interested. So yeah, I think this turned out really cute, and I'm really happy with it. So thanks for watching this Halloween tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you're having a great October. Love you so much. Bye!